Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what comes in the February 2022 mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so I love OFRA. This will be the third, I believe. So I got two mystery boxes last year. One, I want to say like August time frame, and then another, I don't know, maybe around Black Friday. I don't know. Both of them were spectacular. I must say, not only do I love OFRA, their products, they are the fastest beauty brand I've discovered when you place an order to when they ship to when you receive the products. I swear it was like 2 days. Super fast, super quick. ColourPop, on the other hand, 2 weeks. All right, first item. What is this? It is a hand sanitizer. And I want to say in one of the last boxes, we also got a hand sanitizer. If my brain's working correctly. Do I ever remember using it? No. Do I even know where it is? Nah. This here is 3 fluid ounces or 89 ml. All right, next item. I see some makeup. And there's a little packing fiasco. Okay, some tape got stuck. Let's start with this one, which looks to be a blush, I'm assuming. Yes, this is the blush Chameleon. And I'm curious if this is full size or if this is deluxe sample. It's plenty of blush because let me tell you, blush takes forever to hit pan on. Love this kind of darker dusty rose pink. Let's do, you can even see it, and my camera doesn't show it quite as well as in person. Let's do a swatch. Yes, oh, that is beautiful color for me. All right, next item. What is this? Very nicely protected and bubble wrap package. I think it's going to be a highlighter. Would it be any kind of OFRA mystery box if it didn't come with a highlighter? To me, OFRA has one of the best, if not the best, highlighter formulas. I love every single highlighter I've ever tried from them. Yes, okay, so this here is their highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. And I'm fairly certain I already own this shade. So I'm not going to swatch this. And I'm going to see if I can't find the one I own. No promises because my studio, aka spare bedroom, is a hot mess. All right, next item we have a lip product. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Canyon, which looks to be like a cinnamon. Hold on, let me get it out of the packaging. Yes, so it is kind of a brick red, brownish cinnamon shade. I don't think I'm going to swatch it because if this was a lip gloss, it would sheer out. It said liquid lipstick, so it's going to be a little too dark. I know you're all going to say, look, fantastic. It's just not my jam. I am going to just set this aside for an upcoming giveaway. All right, what else came in this box? OMG, is this going to be an eyeshadow palette? I believe it is, yes. It's the signature palette in Exquisite Eyes. I have one of these palettes. I can't remember if it's going to be the same one, but I have one that's this size. Yes, you have the standard new classic white packaging from OFRA. Oh, this is right up my alley. Nice neutral browns. I don't think I own this, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to hold off on swatching it just in case. Okay, yes, I found the one I own. Let's see. I believe. Okay, yes. Different color. Sorry, these are pinks and roses, which means I will be able to swatch this. Okay, there are 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. Those will be lovely. And the last item think is going to be some makeup wipes. This is the Cleanse It Off. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. All right, well, good timing. Let me pull one out and see how she does, because my hand is a mess with swatches. Has a very, very subtle scent of just cleanliness. All right. Makeup wipe did its job. Let's recap everything that came in this box. Got a hand sanitizer, a blush, a full-size highlighter, some makeup wipes, a liquid lipstick, and a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is a really good box. I know a full-size highlighter from OFRA retails for $35. That should have covered the entire price of this mystery box. And getting a eyeshadow palette, that is spectacular. Only 5 pans, but hey, enough to do a look with. And this probably costs, I want to say like $30. Hand sanitizer, hopefully we won't need those for much longer. Liquid lipstick, good. Just, I'm picky, so don't blame the box. And I'm super excited about this blush because it's in a spectacular color. This was really good. Leave me a comment and let me know if you love OFRA as much as I do. And if, had you known what was coming in this box, would you have snatched it up? The only bummer thing is, when I film these mystery boxes, is by the time I order it, it arrives, I wait for a weekend, I film, I edit, and I post it. They're probably not still available. But if this box still is available, I will pin a comment and let you know. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.